Hello there. A change in our weather is well and truly underway. It's turning milder, but also wet and windy. Though the weekend's not going to be a total washout, may even see some sunshine at times to start. That's after some rain as we finish off the week on Friday with some frontal systems slowly pushing their way southeastwards, bringing us some rain. That could lead to quite a wet start across parts of the southeast for the beginning of the weekend. Also some organised showers moving their way into the northwest, and plenty of isobars on the chart here too, so these showers could be rather blustery at times, but for many of us on Saturday there's going to be a good deal of dry weather around. It could be a rather cloudy start, often quite murky across northern and central parts of England, parts of Wales and the southwest. We could see some mist and fog here, but that'll eventually clear, leaving plenty of dry weather, also some sunshine starting to poke through the cloud. Across the southeast though, quite a wet start. We could still see some heavy outbreaks of rain here, but eventually petering out as we head into the afternoon, and still plenty of blustery showers moving their way into northwestern parts of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, and we may even see the odd shower or two start to bubble up across Wales, central and southern parts of the UK. But as I say, plenty of dry weather, plenty of sunshine, and with highs of around 12 to 13 Celsius. Temperatures are well above average for the time of year, good 3 degrees above average across much of the country. So if you do have any plans for the weekend, Saturday's probably the best bet, as waiting in the wings out into the Atlantic, we do have this area of low pressure. This is being fueled by a relatively strong jet as a result of a cold plume around Newfoundland hitting up against that warmer tropical air, and that's driving this jet stream, pushing this area of low pressure towards the UK. And this means it is going to sweep in some frontal systems, so further outbreaks of rain and plenty of isobars on the chart by the time we reach Sunday too. Some very blustery weather on its way over. A chance we could even see some gales, if not severe gales, across parts of the northwest. So taking a look at the kind of gusts we can expect, particularly in western areas as this system moves closer, a good chance we could see gusts between 50 to 60 miles per hour, even across inland areas. But the strongest gusts are going to be through coasts of the Irish Sea, around the Scottish Islands, and anywhere where we see high ground. And even here we could see gust speeds of around 70 miles per hour. So a chance that this could lead to some disruption. It's not just the winds as we head over into Sunday either, it's also the rain. Obviously we've had some rain through Friday, slightly drier on Saturday, but then further rain on Sunday means we could see some impacts as a result of flooding. Some areas, particularly in the west, could see quite persistent outbreaks of rain between 9 to 12 hours. And that really means the rainfall totals are going to tot up, particularly across northwestern parts of England, southern parts of Wales and parts of the southwest. A chance we could see between 30 to 50 millimetres, perhaps even 60 to 90 millimetres across southern parts of Wales. So with the wind and rain, there is a chance that we could see some disruption over the weekend. So of course, we have issued some Met Office warnings. Quite a widespread warning for wind across most of the country, Scotland, northern parts of England, Wales in the southwest, also parts of Northern Ireland, and also some localised rain warnings. So do keep up to date to those on our app and also our website. To start on Sunday though, once again there's going to be plenty of dry weather, still plenty of cloud around, so it could be some mist and murk, but in the west heavy outbreaks of rain, strong blustery winds, and that's slowly going to move its way eastwards across the country through the course of the day. So some very disruptive weather on its way, so make sure you do stay up to date on our website, on our app. Some heavy and persistent outbreaks of rain moving their way through. It may start to brighten up a little bit across parts of the northwest, but still some very strong winds here and some very heavy showers. Once again, we could see some hail and thunder mixed in there too. And temperature-wise, fairly similar to Saturday, but obviously a very different feel to the weather. Of course, don't forget to stay updated on our YouTube channel so that we can update you through the weekend around the weather. Otherwise, that's it from me. Bye-bye.